Hi, I am Christo Johnson. I am coming from Thrissur, Kerala. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Vidya Academy of Science and Technology. I am currently doing Python full stack web development from SMEClabs. I am doing a Django project and it's a travel agency based project and its name is Explorer Travel Agency. My project has two modules, admin module and user module. My admin module has different sections: user details, nation details, package details and payment details. My user section shows the details about the registered users. We have the option to register new users or we can update already existing users. Nation section has two subsections: nations and nation images. Nations subsection shows details about the registered nations. We have the option to register new nations or update the already existing nation. Nation images subsection shows details about the nation images and we have the option to register new nation images or update the already existing nation images. Packages section has four subsections: packages, package date, package plan and travel tips. Payment details section has subsection payments. It shows details about payments in the travel agency. Next we discuss about user module. User module has different roles. Users can select destinations, packages and other roles. For example, if the user selects a packages, it shows the full details about all the available packages from each country. If the user selects destinations, it shows all the available countries in the travel agency. If the user selects any one of the countries, it will show the user the available packages and travel tips in that country. If the user selects packages from that country, it will show all the available packages in that country. If the user selects any one of the packages, it will show the package plan of that package and the user has the option to book that package. The payment integration user is RestAPI and we have the option for social authentication using GitHub. Finally, the hosting used for this website is AWS. It's mainly useful for travelers and in future I am planning to make it as a client-based product.
Join SMEClabs. We empower your career for future.